Hello everybody and welcome to S&B Diaries. We're going to go inside Darlington glass factory that have been on this premises since 1967. So hopefully we can go in, maybe see some glass blowing and have a look around the visitors centre. So let's go. Welcome to Darlington Crystal. This is the visitors centre. Here's the glass blowing centre with the oven furnace. Some of the glass blown paperweights there, and we can have a look round. Show you this wonderful glassworks that started off in the 1960s. All the different glass candles and vases and bowls. And then we go for a tour into the 1970s. Different styles of glasswares. And then the bowls changed slightly. And you can see that the shape of the bowls changed slightly different. It's more like a flower. Yeah, we're just having a wander through the museum at the moment. It's very clever what they've done. That's how you've got a mixture of ornaments, paperweights, vases, glasses, goblets. We've got some there, we've got clocks into the 2000s, the millennial. Bit of dating back to the 1960s when it all started. Found out in the 1960s some of the glass blowers came over from Sweden and to help start up the factory. Here we have the master engraver, and maybe they have schools. Yeah, I'll show you the glasses have been engraved. Beautiful. Master engraver. You can see some of that ornate fine detail on the glasses, and they also have school activity projects for the children to come in and show them the demonstrations on how it's all being made and everything. So we're just coming into the shop. Where you can buy your glasses, crystal glass, all your drinking vessels, wonderful bowls and blue glass. It's all made, everything in the shop here is made on site. Just show you these wonderful paperweights. Some in this glass cabinet here. Different styles and designs. So that completes our tour of Darlington Crystal and Glass Factory. We had a short trip round the museum and walked past the showroom, and then we headed upstairs to to the shop. So thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.